Hello everyone, welcome to class or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Let's go find props. Just put them on the sides if you need to use them today. If you have been with me flowing for all of my videos, thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how your practice will be today. Let's go and do a funky one. Starting off with your hero pose today. Knees together or one or two knuckles away from each other. Spread the feet to the sides, plug your ankles on your hips. And then slowly, let's go and round our upper back. On your next inhale, roll the shoulders up to the ears and press it back and down. Hands collect them here at the center and close your eyes and notice how you are in this moment. Taking a few mindful breaths in and out through the nose. Notice how your body is right now. Allow the body to settle in. Allow the mind to settle into the practice. Create some intentions that will fill up your mind. Once you're ready, open the eyes, hands up high. Exhale, hands and pray to your heart. Namaste. Let's start. Reach your hands forward here to the top. Swing your toes to the right side, plant the hips. Right hand to the floor, left hand up, and then swing it to the right side. Lengthen the left side body. Press your left hip down. Bend the elbow to the back, open the heart, gaze up, and then slowly swing it forward and back up. One more time. Bend the elbow to the back, open the shoulder. Full range of motion here. One more round, bending deeper, and then swing forward and up. Slowly doing the opposite around, this time without bending the elbow. Opening the palms, seeing how your shoulder is maybe tight or open on this side. One movement, one breath. Let's go try everything on the opposite side. Swing your toes to the left, plant the hips, a right hand reaches left. Lengthen the side body first. Notice how you feel. And then slowly bend the elbow to the back, gaze up if it's possible, and then swing it slowly forward and back up. One more round, bend the elbow to the back, and then slowly swing forward and up. One last round, deepest back bend, and then swing it forward, and then opposite side. Swinging to the back, opening the palm. One more round. Lengthen the breath. Softening the face. Let's release. Hands forward. Let's go to your tabletop first. Tap the toes if that was too much. Let's ground on your child's pose. We're going to do your rolling cat and cow. So notice the breath first. Once you're ready, ripple forward, tuck the tailbone, shift your weight to your hands, and then take a cow as you inhale, press back to your child's pose. One more round, tuck the tailbone, rooting the heart to the skies, belly in, and then slowly, tailbone, point to the back, heart opens, find exaggeration on your undulations. One more round, ripple forward. And then slowly, once you reach your peak forward, let's go find your upward facing dog. Firm the inner thighs, maybe swinging the hips side to side. Relax your shoulders, rest on all of your palms. And then slowly on your next breath, come to your downward facing dog. Your very first one. Creating some stillness here or create small movements that can get you deeper into the shape. Notice how you'll feel. And notice that options are here for you to move as free as you want. Right heel comes up. Next, inhale, bend the knee, hip joint mandala. And then slowly we're going to shift forward, right knee to the right tricep or right armpit. And then step the right foot beside the right pinky. Lizard lunge, or roll the shoulders down and back. Create some space. Gaze up or open your heart. And then press it to the back. Wide-legged Ardha Manasana. And then swinging forward. So just notice this hip opening on this side as fluid as you can, but again, making sure how your range of motion allows this movement to be more fluid. Right hand presses the right knee, open the heart up. Notice the left hip pressing down to the mat. Option to stay here. Or if you want similar, right hand up, or maybe swing it to the back, lengthening here. Maybe bending the left knee, catching the left foot, find your cute twist. Maybe left elbow, left forearm grounds down on the mat, gazing up, open your heart to your sky. Release the corkscrew. Press with all of your hands. Let's go to your wide-legged pyramid pose. Breathe in long. Breathing out, release. Let's come back, three-legged dog, right heel up. And then slowly ground back down, downward facing dog. Left heel up this time, opposite side, bend the knee, hip joint mandala. Slowly shift forward, left knee, left tricep, left armpit. And then slowly step the left foot down, wide lizard lunge. Roll the shoulders, open the heart. And then slowly, once you feel you're open, we're going to press your hips towards the back. Wide-legged, half split. A few more rounds in this hip opening. Notice how this side is different. How one is more open, how one is more tight. Possibly both of them are good. Left hand, left knee. Push it away, open the heart up. Option to stay here, lengthen the spine. Or if you want a little bit more, opening here, keeping your right hip down, left hand up. And then slowly we're going to twist. Left hand reaches back. And again, option to bend the right knee, grab the right foot with the left hand, kick it long, open the left shoulder. Maybe your right forearm this time grounds down. Open the corkscrew, breathe in long. Breathing out. Release. Left hand down. Let's go find wide-legged pyramid pose. Extend the left leg. Maybe ground onto your forearms once more. Release. Bend into the left knee. Swing back up, three-legged dog. And then slowly come back, downward facing dog. Very nice. Reset. Heels up, ripple forward to your strong plank. Big inhale. On your exhale, bend the elbows to the sides of your ribs. Chaturanga, flowing fluidly to your up dog. Exhale brings you back to your downward facing dog. Let's do that one more round. A little bit more fluid. Heels up. Undulate awesomely to your plank. Press it down. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Big inhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Back where we began. One more round. Heels up. Ripple forward. Tuck the tailbone. And then slowly, Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Very nice. Heels up, bend the knee, step forward. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale to fold, Uttanasana. Let's go rise. Urdhva hands reach up, gaze follows thumbs. Exhale, hands to your heart. And into the side, some must be. One hand to your heart, another to the belly. Close your eyes. Notice the beating of your heart in the palm of your hand. Notice the breath in the belly. Find yourself back to your present moment. Open the eyes. Let's go find your flow. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, gaze follows thumbs. Exhale to fold down, Uttanasana. Halfway lift, strengthen the back. Exhale, find your own flow. Let's all meet in your downward facing dog. Right foot steps forward, left heel down, rise, warrior one. Exhale, descend with the breath. Right leg extends to the back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Opposite side, left foot forward, right heel down, rise, warrior one. Exhale, release. Hands down, extend the left leg back, Chaturanga. Up dog, inhale, down dog, exhale. Deep breaths. Find your center. Find the breath. Soften the face. Strong the heels. Once you're ready, one more. Right heel up. Bend the knee, hip joint mandala. Bend the left elbow, left forearm down. Release a right knee back to the heart. Step that right foot in between. Left heel down, hands up high. Warrior one. And then slowly release. Hands reach at the back. And then slowly bend the elbows to your cactus. Slowly reach forward. Superman. One more round. Inhale, up. Lean back. Bend the elbows. Open the heart. And then slowly lean forward. Superman. One more round. As fluid as we can. Bend the elbows. Reaching forward. Let's go fly. Warrior three. Left leg extends. Energize from your fingertips. And then slowly bloom. Reverse warrior to the left side. Inhale. Exhale. Grace forward. Parsvakonasana. With control, swing back. Reverse your triangle. And then slowly, let's go, Udita Trikonasana. Left hand reaches sky. Gaze at your left thumb. Inhale here. Exhale, look down. Left hand may be parallel to the right foot or maybe across the right foot here. Parivrita Udita Trikonasana, revolved triangle pose. Slowly come back. Reverse your warrior. Inhale. And then slowly, fluidly go Skandasana to the back of the mat. Breathing in. Breathing out. Flow forward. Reverse your Skandasana. Right hand reaches back. And then take your hips up. Let's do this one more round. Hips down. Extend the right hand at the back. Come up with the core. One last time. Hips down. And then slowly come up. Can we go to your plank? Side plank this time on your left. And then step back. Wild thing. Breathing in. Breathing out. Release. Look down with control. Step that right foot parallel to your left foot in front. Reverse your warrior one more time with length, with grace. Go back down, cartwheel down. Come back, three-legged dog. One-legged plank, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Reset. Notice the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go. Left foot up. Bend the knee. Bend the right forearm. Release. Come back center. Step that left foot in between your hands. Rise. Warrior one. And then slowly, once you feel you need more, swing back. Bend the elbows to the sides. And then fluidly swing forward. One more round. Up. Back. Bending. Deeper heart opening. And then flow forward. One more. Open the heart. Bending the elbows really. And then can we go warrior three on this side. Right leg lifts. Hands reaching forward. Breathing in. Firm the inner thighs. Breathing out, release, step back, reverse your warrior. And then slowly flow forward, Parsva Konasana. Breathing in, reverse your triangle, breathing out. And then slowly fall down, Utthita Trikonasana on this side. Gazing at your right thumb. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Right hand parallel to your left foot this time or across. Parivrita Utthita Trikonasana. Gazing at your left thumb this time. Notice the strength. Firm the inner thighs. Look down. Release. Reverse your warrior with fluidity. And then flow back. Skandasana. Finding your left big toe. Breathing in. And breathing out, leap forward, right hand plants down, left hand reaches back, reverse Skandasana. Come up, inhale, hips up high, exhale, fold down. One more round, hips up, press from your right hand, hips down, release the breath. One more, and then slowly come back, side plank on this side. Step back, Kamatkarasana, Wild Thing. Keeping your heart open, keeping your hips strong. Soften the face. And then with control, release. Left foot plants parallel to your right foot in front. One more round, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel all the way down. Left heel comes up, three-legged dog. One vinyasa, your own option of play. We're all gonna meet downward facing dog. Take your reset. Notice the feeling of the flow. Notice the body. Notice where the mind is at. Let's go for more. Right heel up, inhale, bend the knee, bend the left elbow. Release, shift forward, right foot forward, left heel down, rise, warrior one. Swing back one more, bend the elbows, reach forward. One more, up, back, bend the elbows as fluid as you can, keeping movement with the breath in a good pace. Bend the elbows this time, reaching forward, maybe hands in prayer to your warrior three once more. Inhale, firm the inner thighs. Maybe clasp your hands at the back of the hips, knuckles reaching to the back of the mat. Open the front of your shoulders and then step back. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, fold down, humble warrior with a bind. Breathing in, gaze forward or find your inner left foot at the back. Maybe finding your airplane. Hands reach to the sides underneath your right thigh, right leg. And again, option to stay or let's go find Ekapada Vinyasa 2. Release Chaturanga or Dvamukha Adho Mukha Svanasana. Come back to the breath. Come back to yourself. Left heel up, breathe in long. Bend the knee, bend the right elbow down. Release, come back center. Left foot down, right heel down. Rise, warrior one. Swing back, open the heart, bending the elbows. Swing forward, breathe in, come up once more. Keeping up with the pace, reaching forward. Up, back, open the heart, bending in. Reach forward again, warrior three. This time, hands in prayer to the heart or to the sides like an airplane. And then once you feel you're more stable, take your hands at the back, clasping in. Knuckles away from the hips. Breathe in. Breathe out to stay. Bend the knee, step back. Inhale, half. Exhale, full, humble warrior. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale, option to go find your airplane. Hands reaching to the back. Strong on your arms, your legs. Let's go try Ekapada Vinyasa 2 on this side if it's available today. Bail out once you feel good. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Reset. Notice how you breathe. And notice how you feel. Right heel up, breathe in. Bend the knee, bend the left elbow, exhale. Slowly, let's go forward. Right foot down, left knee down. Anjaneyasana on your next inhale. Option to stay or take your arms at the back and then bend the elbows. Clasp your hands away from your hips. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last one, inhale. Release. Let's go find your twist. Heart opens to the right side. Elbow hooks on the knee. Hands in prayer to your heart. Chest follows. If we want some more, we're going to try a bind here. Left hand underneath your right wrist or right thigh. Option to stay here. Find your drishti. Maybe extend that left leg long to the back. Breathing in. Make some space between the chest and the right thigh. Breathing out. Option 2. Left foot step in front. And then with the twist, we're going to lift with the right leg. Option 2 to stay or extend it long if we have some more today. Option to bend the standing knee. Once you feel you're good, step back. With grace, left foot presses back. Left knee down, untuck your back foot. Rise, reverse your warrior with your Anjaneyasana. And then cartwheel forward, tuck the left foot, three-legged dog once more. Slowly come back, downward facing dog, left heel up, breathe in, bend the knee, bend the elbow, exhale. Swing forward, left foot down, right knee down, untuck the back foot, arise, Anjaneyasana. Lean back if you want some more. Bend the elbows, clasp your hands at the back of the hips. Roll the shoulders down and back, lift your heart even more to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. And then release. Hands slowly to your twist on the left side. Let's go bend the right elbow. Plug it on your left knee. Left hand reaches back. Find your full bind. An option to stay here or extend the right leg long as well. Option to stay here. Or if you want some more, let's go find your bird of paradise. Right foot steps forward, lifting that left foot with the bind. Knowing that one side is different from the other, one side is a little bit more wobbly. Embrace the wobble. Find yourself in your journey. It doesn't have to look perfect. It just has to feel good. With control, right knee down, untuck the back foot. Release the bind, reverse your warrior here in your Anjaneyasana. Next breath brings you back. Hands down, tuck the right foot. Rise, three-legged dog. And a slowly downward facing dog. Reset. Heels up. Ripple forward to your strong plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. All the way down to the ground. Sphinx pose. Shoulders stack on your elbows. Open the fingers out wide. Close your eyes for a few moments. Slowly release. Bend the knees. Let's go grab our hands to the feet. Open the heart. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release the Dhanurasana. Release the forehead. Release the neck. Release all of your legs. Let's do this one more round. Grab the feet. Bend the knees. Kick up so you can raise your heart up. Kick even more. Feel your thirsty thighs opening up, strengthening up for you. Release. Release the feet. Release the head. One last round. Let's go. The highest one that we have today. Hips down, toes up, crown of your head open, shoulders open and strong. Release. Very nice. Maybe close your eyes for a few moments, neutralize the spine. Once you feel you're good, press with your hands, come back to your child's pose. Lengthen the low back, the middle back. Come back tabletop, next breath. Cross the ankles and let's take a seat. Plug the feet together, Baddha Konasana. Inhale to lengthen and exhale. Once you feel you're ready, we're going to fold all the way down. Keeping the length, allow the upper body to fold down. Release the head. Once you're ready, open the eyes. Come back to a seat. Knees together, extend the feet forward. Bend the right knee. Right foot comes across. Marshiyasana. Open to a twist here. Find your variation. Again, if you have your bind practice, go ahead and find your Marshiyasana bind. Release on your next breath. Right foot on your inner left thigh. Plug the right knee down and let's go take a bind. Right hand on your right big toe. Left hand on your left big toe. Fold down. Keep your heart pressing forward. Notice how energy flows in the body and not away. Release. Release the bind and then let's go and try a lotus pose today. Maybe stay here or take your hands ground down and then lift your hips, lift your legs. Shoulder blades wide and really to the side. Notice the core. Keep it open and then release. Very nice. Slowly release the feet one by one. Maybe shake them if that was too much. Let's go find Marshiyasana on the opposite side. Again, option is here. See what feels good. Go and find the bind if it's possible for you. But again, it's not a progression. So you will be the one to choose how you want your twists today. Release. Next inhale brings you back. Janusarasasana. Left foot this time on your inner right thigh. Left hand catches left big toe. Right hand catches right big toe. Fold down. But keep the spine long. Release on your next breath. Let's try your full lotus on this side. Right foot on your inner left thigh. Stay here or plant the hands down, lift your hips. Even if it's just a small inch, that matters a lot. Find strength. And then release. Release your lotus feet one by one. Lean back, windshield wipers left and right. Very nice. Cooling down the breath, cooling down the mind. Once you're ready, let's go back to your Sukhasana. Take your hands on your knees or one hand to your heart and ready to the belly. Just noticing how you feel. Noticing how it's so much different from how you felt before you stepped into the mat. See why you went in and showed up. Thank you so much for today. Give ourselves one big hug. Swinging the head side to side if you want more opening on the neck. Give yourself the power, the one that you so rightfully deserve. Hands up high, inhale. Exhale, thumbs to the forehead, kind thoughts. Thumbs to the mouth, kind words. And thumbs to the heart, bow down. Namaste. Thank you so much, everyone. Please like, please comment, let me know how it is for you. So happy that you get to show up once more. Thank you so much for today.